Hi guys, Miss Cho here. In this video we're going to talk about the types of graphs and charts. Okay, what is a pictograph? Well, a pictograph using pictures or symbols to represent data. As you can see, there's two pictographs here. They show how many children in our school travel to school, and as you can see, walk, bike, car, bus, train and tram and so on. Okay, and those are the types of transports that are used. Okay, the key to this is actually the key that shows the value. So in here, it doesn't matter what this is, the key shows the value of each of the circles. So in this case, what we have here is we have two children representing one of these circles. So you would have to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, 13 children walk to school and so on across there. Okay, that explains what a pictograph is. Now, both of these actually represent the same value. And the reason they represent the same value is because in this key, a circle equals 2 children, but in this key, a circle equals 4 children. So as you can see, if you count these up and you count in 4s here, it is the same value as these ones here. It's really important when creating a pictograph that you have your heading, you have your categories. In this case, the categories are actually the months of the year and the value. So each of these suns represents 2 days. Okay, so in this case, say in May, the pictures are the symbols. In May, you've got here 1, 2, 3, 4 suns. 4 suns represent actually 8 days because each sun is 2 days. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And that pretty much explains a pictograph. Okay, now let's talk about bar charts or bar graphs. Data that is counted and has no in-between value is called data. Data is usually collected in a table, which can be done in Excel or Google Sheets. As you can see here, this would make more sense. In here, what we're talking about in this bar chart is how many pets year 6s have. For example, they've got the categories of pets down this side here, and then across here we've got the number of children. So people have tallied this up. Now what's really important is you understand the vertical axis is always the number of children up here. And then down the bottom we've got the type of pet, and that is your categories or the horizontal axis. It is really important in a bar chart that you always put the title up the top. So when people are reading it, they know exactly what this data is actually representing. And with this Excel table, you can present your findings into a nice colorful chart like so. Bar charts. Data in each category can also be represented in subcategories. Now this again is really important as well. Now what we did from the last lot of data, if you look here, okay, that was on the number of children. Now a subcategory is really cool if you want to find out how many boys in grade 6 thought the cats were the best, and then how many girls thought cats were the best. So we broke them into boys and girls. And to do that, what we need to do is add in Excel or Google Sheets, we need to add an extra column. Now, when you do that, Excel and Google Sheets, when you select that table, what will happen is Google Sheets comes up with a bar chart or graph that looks like this, okay? So the number of children, again, is up here, and the types of pets along the bottom. And really importantly, that title, a bar chart to show how many pets year 6 have. That is really important because otherwise the data makes no sense. Line graphs. Now line graphs are really fun things to do. Line graphs are used to show changes in the measurement over time. They show continuous data. This line graph is to show the temperature of the classroom through the day. So it started off on 32 degrees, then someone opened a door or window and it slightly went down. Then someone closed the door and window and realized and turned the heater up and it went up to 34 degrees. Now what's missing here is the time allocation, okay? So that's really important to add the time. But the Celsius or the degrees Celsius is running up and down here. pie charts show the proportion sectors of a circle. They're used when we want to find out the percentage. I like to know the percentage of population, and that can be done in a pie chart. Okay, the same with if you were looking for the percentage of boys that like dogs, or the percentage of boys that like cats. So you could work that data out using a pie chart to find out the fraction or the percentage that you need.